If your diesel engine has low power and if it sounds like this, like it's hissing at you going down the road, come over here. Check to see if you have a boost leak. Check your boost clamps, your CAC hose, making sure they're tight and there's no holes in the hoses. That one's all right. This one's okay. The pipe's okay. But notice what I found. Somebody put a coolant hose clamp on the CAC boot. These clamps are not meant to hold boost pressure. So if you have a coolant hose clamp like this, it'll leak boost, which in turn will give you low power. If not already doing so, make sure you follow me on here and on Instagram for more tips.